There are different types of OS architecture. One is monolithic, one is layered, one is microkernel, and one is hybrid kernel. Example of monolithic is Linux kernel. Example of layered architecture is District operating system. Example of microkernel is QNX and Mac. Then hybrid kernel ka example is XNU kernel. Then let's see what are the differences between kernel and monolithic kernel. A kernel type that provides mechanisms such as low level address space management, thread management, and inter-process communication to implement an operating system is microkernel kernel. And whereas a type of kernel in operating system where the entire operating system works in the kernel space is called as monolithic kernel. And in microkernel, OS services and kernel are separated, whereas in monolithic kernel contains the entire OS services. Microkernel is slow, whereas monolithic is fast. And microkernel may, if failure causes in one component, will not affect the other components. But in monolithic, it is other ways. Failure in one component will affect the entire system. And then it is easier to add new functionalities in microkernel, whereas it is difficult to add new functionalities in monolithic. Microkernel is smaller in size, whereas monolithic is larger in size. That's it from my side. Thank you.